Welcome to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you how to create a progress bar in PageFly. Progress element helps you add more data or statistics to your page. Showing convincing stats helps you bump the conversion rate. Here is the PageFly page editor. To add a progress bar, choose the icon named Add Element on the left sidebar. Scroll to Advanced Parameter. Choose the progress element. And then drag and drop one element option into the page editor. Choose the progress box, and you can customize its setting in the General tab at the left sidebar. You can click here to duplicate a progress item. Click here if you want to delete a progress item. Or click Add New Item to add more items to the progress. To arrange the order of items, please do like this. You can also set up click action to the progress element. More details about this feature, you can check the video put in the description of this video. Now I will choose one progress bar. Go to the General tab. With Style option, you can change the position of the number, inside the progress bar, outside, or at the first of this bar. Adjust the number here. And the weight of text here. For the progress heading, you can change the text to a factor you want to feature for your store. Change the color of heading. Font size. And maybe the spacing between the heading and the progress bar. For the progress bar, you can change the color of number. The color of the active progress area. And the color of the inactive progress area. To change the font of text, you need to go to the Styling tab. Change the font family here. You can also adjust the position of progress heading and style of it. You can change the type of progress bar in the General tab here. And to put progress bars in the same line, you need to click on each bar. Go to the Styling tabs, scroll down, and click Inline here. Adjust the margin to create space between two bars. This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach us via 24/7 in-app live chat, or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.